Hey guys, 26th day. Just killing some time here on the driving range. What's going on? We're gonna get the old driver out. How's it going, everybody? Oh gosh. But, yeah. Did some other videos for the other channel. Those were out last year. This will be out in 2025. There's some wild turkeys out there. There's Devin out there already. But anyways, you guys, what's going on? Beautiful day out here, October. Still got the GOPRO out. Oh my God, they won't let us hit off grass and rain. Just killing some time. Oh, it's a beautiful Saturday. Wind. I haven't hit golf balls in a year. As I was out here, I joined two young men and their mom. You guys better be careful. I'd kill somebody out here. I've been out all year long. I figured let's do a little adventure in the driving range, shall we? We're on the old action boat. That one was tagged. Should be a stewardess on that one. Oh. It's the old 6 degree. That was a nice drive. I'd take that hill a little bit of draw on it. I can watch these back. I have an old well, forget about it. I'll have to watch it on there. But when I used to, the old days before everybody else did, I had a old, I had my camera set up, Panasonic, and I would watch myself in slow motion. It's kind of fun. So someone else paying to do it, right? Slapped that one. Ugly swing, ugly ball. Went about 200, but didn't go much. Oh. I'm gonna hit this as hard as I can. I have not used this all season. That was an ugly one. But that's a problem when you're muscle memory. Oh. I'd kill somebody if I was out playing golf. I was out there, but just kind of. Pulling the ball. Pulling it. Getting tired. Much better. Took it straight back. I rolled out there, right through the turkeys. Oh, man. Get old doing this. Oh. I'm getting tired. And you don't get out as much as I wish I could. You're gonna get all kinds of swings, and you're gonna look stupid. I gotta keep that left arm straight. My right arm is taking over. It's pretty sad. A little better. But the way it goes. Oh, that'd be going right now. Oh. Somewhat that way with that one. Oh. Slap that one. Oh. Now I'm just getting tired. Just slapping at it. Oh, shit. Much better. Oh. Get my hands higher. Oh. Alright. So anyways, we're here at the lovely in town. We're at the Glen Lake golf course. And there's the driver. That's the turkeys away out there. So we'll do one more. We'll just chip away here, have some fun here. So it is what it is. So anyways, like I said, just killing time in the driving range on Glen Lake. We'll do one more. All right.